Oh, crap. No countdown. Don't worry, it's no countdown. We're good. All right, reset the PC. Excellent condition on the thing now. This was saying poor earlier. That's why I was like, yeah, no, can't be having that. We don't want to lag in that, all right? Hope everyone's having a good day though. So apologies for the technical difficulty to start off with the day. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Yeah, it's good to hear. Lovely. So we're gonna have a new plan, by the way. So I am now taking over the live streams for life until further notice. So I'm gonna be taking over this. So I am going to start doing my plan. So February time, I was supposed to do you start an actual trading plan in front of you guys. So I'm going to create a trading plan in front of you guys, backtesting everything, going trial and error, showing you guys exactly the steps to try and create a strategy and to actually be able to practice on it and actually make it as well, to actually make money from that strategy. So what I'm going to actually do is try to make it as interactive as possible. So I'm going to ask you guys certain things you guys want for me to find out. For example, whether it be trend line. So if you guys watch something or someone saying, oh, this trend line strategy works, if you guys want me to back test it and we can take it apart and like look for things that work about it, things that don't work about it, and we'll add it onto our own plan. Obviously, I'm going to have a basics, basis of it. So GA, yes, GA is doing well so far. Yeah, perfect take profit. So I was looking to get more partials around this zone. So yeah, unfortunately I missed it because it was at 9 o'clock. I'm not on the charts around that time. So and plus I was coding. So I did manage to get, I didn't secure partials there, but it's fine. When it goes back down again, I'll be moving. I'll be securing more partials. But yeah. So the plan is, if you guys know something or want to find out something about trading, technical analysis, what I'm going to do is you guys can try and tell me during the stream, and then we'll backtest it together on the stream, and then we can take it apart and find out things that work about it, so we can add it to our own plan. So for example, like let's say some YouTuber told you about this M strategy, right? Every time an M forms, okay, what we'll try and do is define that. First, we'll try and find the pattern in the chart first, whether it's actually legit, it actually happens a lot or not. And 2 is trying to define it, and 3 and test it after that, and then eventually, obviously, break it apart and then try to start to use it in our own strategy. Does that make sense? So at the end of it, hopefully, this will probably take a long time to do, because obviously it's going to be a lot of trial and error, but it gives us time to do something. Boys to notice, Mark is lonely in stream today. Yes, I am lonely on the stream today. It's fine. If anyone wants to hop on the stream, bro, you know what? I'll send you guys the link and we can have bants. But what about a Z pattern? We can look for a Z pattern if you'd really like to, bro. We can try our hardest to look for a Z pattern. But yeah. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, right? And for the remaining future, obviously we're still gonna be trading, we're still gonna be looking at analysis and and that stuff like that. But because my trading is generally longer term, I thought it'd be something that we can do together. The stream will be more interactive, and we can actually start to get something done. Does that make sense? And plus, you guys can see like step by step, how it's done, how I've created my plan, basically. Okay. I'm not going to skip any steps. A lot of my work will be on stream. However, I will be doing a lot of work outside of stream as well, so we can just keep the flow going. Like if I literally do everything on stream, it will take years to do, but I have to do like work outside. So for example, like back testing outside of stream and stuff like that, on top of my back testing on stream as well. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense for everyone, and I hope everyone can learn something from it. This is probably, I don't want to sound like a dickhead, but it's probably going to be one of the most educational live stream, Forex live stream to date. Okay, so we'll try and do that. If you guys have any suggestions right now, obviously give me a pair. So we're going to focus on one pair specifically. If anything, I want it to be as exotic as possible, although I still want to be able to trade it on FTMO. So any suggestions? Obviously, platinum was one of them. We can look at platinum, but please, have some suggestions in the comments, boys, while I'll do my analysis now. So yeah, if you guys have any thoughts, let me know now. Cool. So first of all, look at pound Aussie dollar. So pound Aussie dollar right now doing quite well. USD JPY decent volume for sure. No, I said exotic, bro. Exotic, brother. What the heck? EU is not exotic. Okay, sorry. So we have reached this weekly zone over here. So the weekly grid has been kind of completed over here, you can see. So it is time to start securing a little bit more profits over here. But I'm gonna wait. So what I'm actually gonna do is move my stop loss a little bit lower, so I actually secure a little bit more profit. Right now, most recent swing high is this swing high, so I'm more than happy to move my stop loss around this zone right here. So 1 second, let me just do that on my phone. All right, okay. So, all right, we've done that now. So yeah, I'll take profits over. Sorry, a stop loss over here. So we have now secured approximately 1%. Okay, so not bad. Obviously we're putting a lot on the table, but sorry, we're leaving a lot on the table, but you know, it is what it is. It happens, right? We got to let the market breathe a little bit here. Actually, you know what? I'm going to move it a little bit lower. 1 second. 1.74901. 1.74901. Okay, cool. Overall take profit obviously is 1.72. We are currently, if I can actually, we're currently 100 pips away, which sounds a lot, but for G8 it's actually not that much. We have created new structures over here. You can see we created new lows from this swing high to this swing low. So we have broken major 4-hour zone. So let's move that over here. As of right now, the most recent major level is actually our stop loss, so we are actually in danger of getting tapped in, like getting, you know, ran through and then continuing to our take profit. Although if it moves up like 200 pips against us, that risk to reward isn't even worth it at that point. Do you know what I mean? So we might as well just keep this. We want this momentum to keep going. So yeah, that's what we're looking at. Pretty good stuff. As for gold, so gold yesterday. So let's look at FOMC yesterday. So did anyone watch the FOMC meeting? Oh, there you go. Elite Man's talking about it now. How chilling? Yeah, that's good. That's good. First of all, everyone watching right now, say hi. I'd want to know who's actually watching right now. First of all, please, that'd be amazing. Yeah, FOMC. Did you, Elite Man? Did you watch it? I meant hi, but did I not say that properly? Oh well. Whoops. I was watching it. Shared link. I know, but I wasn't watching it. I wasn't watching it. What did they talk about? If you remember. I'm guessing you don't, so I'm gonna have to look through it, aren't I? You watched it, but you didn't, did you? Oh, I forgot to say as well, congratulations, James, passing his first stage of FTMO. Lovely stuff. Always know you can do it. So, yeah, just out there. Mostly interest in politics. Yeah, but what specifically? I can't make it a job. Yeah, you just talk about interest and that is normally what they talk about, Elite Man. That is generally what they talk about. MC was at 11 AM. My time was on bad. Food prices and stuff like that. So inflation, right? Okay. Did they say it was going up, going down? Was it stable? Like, give me something. All right, whatever. I didn't watch the rundown, so I didn't get time. But it's fine. It's not your fault. It is my fault for not watching it. So I'll stop bothering you. So yeah, you can see overall, whatever the effect was, whatever happened, right? So they're going to increase interest rates. Huh? If they're going to increase interest rates, then gold should have dropped. That's not what I expected, I can't lie. Okay, it's a little bit weird. Okay, well, whatever. Apparently they're going to increase interest rate continuously. I'm guessing they said they're going to do it slower or something because obviously it's been a negative impact on US, and normally with higher interest rates the impact on US is higher. But I'll look into it later on so I can actually discuss it tomorrow even. But yeah, so overall the effect on the US, regardless of what happened, was bearish, and gold has pushed up. Okay, so now has anything changed with gold? Sort of. So as you guys remember, I did have 1960 as my target. And you can see that it's hit perfectly. Unfortunately, I did obviously change my bias to shorts. It did hit this 1904 level as I anticipated, and then from 1904, you can see the grid-to-grid action right here. So from this grid down to this grid down up to this grid, you can see how perfect almost these weekly price action is. Exactly. Why am I so mean? What do you mean? I was just asking for it. Yeah, so obviously from this weekly grid, rejecting this weekly grid, you can see how the price action is. So We rejected it, so we finished above, finished back down below. Now we are next to complete the next weekly grid, which is this level right here. After this weekly grid has been rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 times over here, we have now climbed up. We broke this weekly grid onto the next one, which is 1960. You can see how almost like tic-tac-toe-y it looks, and you can see at 1960, perfect rejection over there. Now, where should we go for the rest of the year? I mean, the rest of the month. Okay, so let's find out now. I'm gonna delete everything, and I'll show you guys my take on it. So as of right now, obviously it's Thursday, so obviously it's best to wait for a candle close during the weekly, but anyways, we'll wait. We'll continue. So first of all, we have this level at 1960 just below it. Okay, so if we end up finishing below this 1960, I do anticipate price to actually reach the next zone, which is 1970, so 1975, around that zone. You said whatever. Okay. That hurt your feelings. My bad. So yeah, so if we end up breaking this 1960 zone, I do anticipate price to go up to 1975. That to complete this weekly grid that I'm talking about right here. And if that happens and continues to break, I do anticipate price to go to 1988 over here. So those are the two zones I'm looking at for the month. Whether we do or not obviously depends on whether we reject this level, this 1960, or not. If we end up rejecting it for maybe 2 weeks in a row, then we do anticipate price to actually pull back a little bit, potentially down to 1920, down to this weekly grid over here, okay? But obviously we'll have to wait and see what happens with that. Okay, as for the daily time frame, so the daily time frame, we are currently still bullish. So obviously we are currently at this, we broke this previous high over here with this current low over here. So now our current structure is, current leg is this low and this high over here. So anything in between this zone is good for buys. Okay, that's basically it. So whether it be the most significant level, obviously is the previous high. That is the most significant level. However, for me, I wouldn't be taking that unless actually, yeah, I won't be taking that because it's not actually on this below the 38.2 retracement. So for me, it's not a valid retracement at all. So what I wait for is potentially a pullback into deeper levels like these ones right here, where price can pull back deeper and then continuation back up. Okay, that's what I'm anticipating. Although don't be surprised, there is still a possibility that price pulls back into 1948 and then continue back up as well. Best thing to happen obviously is we finish back up, you know, into this, you know, on the daily level or on the weekly level, whatever, sorry, on the weekly time frame above 1960, and then we pull back. That is the best case scenario. Although a little bit riskier of a trade, if you guys don't mind taking a bit of a risk, is obviously a pullback into this continuation up, a pullback into this continuation up without finishing above. Although the likelihood of that happening or, you know, actually working out is a little bit less likely. Okay, cool. So these are two levels. Okay, as for the 12-hour time frame, so look at the view app over here. So as for the view app, it's not very useful at the moment because obviously the month has just started and this is a monthly view app. So that means it's anchored, right? It starts at the start of the month and ends at the end of the month. So for example, like this one on January, you can see it starts at January 1 over here. And then it goes on until January 31st, which is here, okay? You can see it was kind of useful, you know, going in between these two zones right here. However, this one isn't so much quite yet because there's not enough data. It's only 2 days, 3 days worth of data. Okay. Caleb is here. Hello, Caleb. I'm not lonely today. Yo, what's up, man?
Cool.
Sup. Yeah, Elite Man isn't here today. There he is. Look at that. Look at that boy. That Sigma male. Is that what it looks like? Yeah? Is that the chee? So basically, yeah. As of right now, we don't have much volume at the top at the top over here, so we can't reuse the volume profile as of right now. It's unfortunate. Okay, so the 4-hour time frame. So you guys already know I normally put my view app on the daily low. As for right now, the daily low is here, even though my my level is here. That's only because that's where the daily low actually ended and that's where it finished. However, this is where the daily low really started, and that's where I'm going to put my view app. So here you can see again. You know, we can say this is coincidence or whatever, but I very much doubt it. You can see how perfect the alignments are with daily zones and view apps over here. You guys have seen this time and time again in my strategy, and this is exactly why I back tested this, because it works time and time again where it lines up perfectly with the daily level that I mark out. The view app lines up perfectly as well. So There you go, there's another proof. So right now what I'm anticipating is a pullback into this level. So not only are we going to be bullish on the 4 hour, because right now as it stands, this is our 4 hour zone. So this is our 4 hour structure, this low to this high. So, and then we're also going to be bullish on the daily time frame because our daily low is here, our daily high is here. We also have the VWAP as confluence on top of that. So far so good, right? 3 confluences on 1 level. That's quite an area of high confluence and something we can really look at. Okay, lastly, so let's look at the session volume profile. It takes a while to load. There we go. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. Press spacebar. Okay, so as of right now, we do have a little bit of volume cluster around this level over here. So POC cluster, volume cluster around this zone. It doesn't quite line up with 1932. However, we do have the the value area lining up perfectly within this level. It's this rotation level basically, right? So basically this level has had loads of volume, bulls and bears fighting. However, overall you can see the bulls won overall. So if price does end up going back into this level right here, then my anticipation is these bullish traders over here are probably going to cover their trade and probably going to look to enter again once more to try and continue price up. Okay, so that's my anticipation with that. As for the VWAP for the week, nothing to go off right now. You know, we're gonna, by the time this little retracement happens, there's probably gonna be a new VWAP. So unfortunately, even though it does line up almost perfectly, you know, I doubt it will drop today. If it does drop today, then we'll take the trade today. If it doesn't, then it is what it is. But yeah, so that's my trade for gold right now. It's probably gonna happen next week. But yeah, there you go. You heard it here first, folks. All right. As for my euro dollar, so nothing particularly spectacular about euro dollar at the moment. Mark, almost you draw a dick there. I always almost do, because I always do these 2 zones and I go like this and then so like it happens and it happens. But yeah, so as of right now, you can see perfect risk management on euro dollar. So how did I manage my risk? So I didn't manage my risk just moving my stop loss wherever, right? I managed my risk again using technical analysis. So I knew how you doing. So what I mean is, so we had this level right here, we had this grid right here, right? I had my volume profile from this level all the way to this level, and it was balanced at the time. Still is, it's still balanced, cool. I know during a balanced volume profile that around these highs up here, it's actually safer to take the sells. Around these lows right here, it's actually safer to take the buys. Okay, cool. Right, going into the lower time frame, just to show you guys a little bit of an example, and how I use, you know, the same strategy, but one for entries and the other one for exits. Okay, so you can see over here that we had created highs, and I know stop losses and other entries will be around this zone right here. Okay, I knew that. I've back tested it. Whatever. Okay, we'll move on. Okay, next thing is I also knew over here, once we break this low right here, that the anticipation is that we're actually gonna probably have sorry, not that low. We're going to 4 hour low. It's a 4 hour zone. Was it a 4 hour? One second. I'm lost. It was a 4 hour, wasn't it? Where is it? Alright, here we go. Well, first of all, we did sweep the low. So we had lows over here at the time, and then we did sweep it. We broke below the lows. So now I know that sellers have entered into the market. And where would their stop loss be? That's where we go into the lower time frame over here. This is where their stop loss is going to be. After the break of this low right here, you can see a breakout. I can anticipate a lot of sellers looking to trade in that direction. Stop loss is going to be either here, or whatever around this zone. You can see that the next significant move is very telling of what the traders were trying to do, and what you know, banks or whatever institutions, whatever you want to call them, was trying to do. They purposely targeted this zone right here. Okay, now that we have one, obviously breakout buyers buying the market, and next is sales, you know, a stop loss is getting tapped. So now we have 2 separate buyers into this market. We've overpowered the sellers have overpowered them, and therefore I was more than happy to take the shorts. Inversely, over here on the 4 hour time frame, right, we had sellers enter the market, buyers stop losses over here as well. Now, sorry, yeah, buyer stop losses, therefore sell stops right here. On top of that, we also have more, you know, selling at the breakout. Then we overpowered the sellers over here and finished above, and that's where I entered. And then you can see that we shot up. Obviously, we did shoot up also because of FOMC, but even before that, you can see price was starting to shoot up anyways after breaking the below and finishing back up above in this zone right here. We continued. Sorry, it's that was a little bit harder to explain, to be honest. I can't lie, but you know, we'll get better. So by the way, if you guys are just tuning in, so the new plan is I'm gonna analyze first all the pairs that I'm doing, and I'll show you guys all my analysis and stuff. And then what we'll do is we'll start creating a plan. So what I'd like from everyone in the chat is to suggest currency pairs or metals or commodities or even like stocks or whatever. Suggest them in the comments, and then I'll pick one and we'll try to master one basically. Okay, so that's what we're gonna try and do. And then we're going to try and create a trading plan out of them. And then if you guys have any suggestion for any technical analysis that you guys want me to backtest, whether it be trend lines, whether it be support resistance, whatever, even smart money, if you guys want me to, I'll try to learn smart money. You guys can try and explain it to me. We'll try to find that pattern specifically on the chart first to see if it actually does happen over and over again. And then what we'll do is try to define that specific strategy. We'll backtest it, we'll refine it, and then we'll use it into our own strategy, incorporate some parts of it into our own strategy, and then make a trading plan out of the many things that we're going to backtest. Okay, this is probably going to be a very, very long project, but the reason I'm doing this is because, one, I don't have a proper day trading strategy quite yet. I have a basics of it, but I don't have it quite yet, so I won't be able to properly day trade in the streams. On top of that, my trades normally are swing trading, so they normally take a long time to develop, and I won't have a trade every day. So just to make it a little bit more entertaining, a little bit more interactive, we'll try to create a day trading plan together as a unit. Do you know what I mean? And then we'll get onto that. We'll create Excel sheets and stuff like that. So and then you guys can obviously copy the strategy if it works to your liking. Okay, I wouldn't recommend copying it word for word, bar for bar, but to each their own. Cool. All right, as of right now, let's look at GJ day trading. Okay, let's look at first of all the 4-hour structure. 4-hour right now is currently bearish, being this high. Let me just remove everything. Oh, by the way, the GJ sells yesterday worked perfectly. You can see over here. So we had a significant high over here, taking that significant high, overpowering these sellers over here. What's up, James? Congratulations, first of all, James. Congratulations. Very well done. Overpowering these buyers over here, finishing back down below. You can see that we also break minor support over here, and then we created a fair value gap, right? This is a typical James strategy, actually, believe it or not. And then we also actually retested the fair value gap over here. You can see that candle right there. And then from there, we took shorts and we took profit. Well, my first take profit was at POC, which is around this level. And then the next take profit for me was around this level of, this level of liquidity right here. I would put a little bit higher over here. But because the stream ended, it was a paper trade, I just took the trade out anyways. Although I would have probably held until so. Bro, first of all, send me your the email, right? So I can put it on Instagram and start flexing, like I helped you at all with FTMO. Just marketing purposes, bro. Just marketing purposes. But yeah, so that was my trade on GJ. Sorry, beautiful trade on GJ yesterday. So let's see if we can continue the momentum right now. Appreciate that. Gonna be our first FTMO funded trader. I mean, well, I think JP's already funded, but he got funded before joining in, even though so it didn't count. All right, so let's now mark out our zones. So this high right here, sorry, not that significant high. Jeez, it's actually up this significant. Oh, this is why I hate this is why I hate GJ. Our significant high is still up here, all the way down to here. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. I'll steer away from my strategy. Sorry, guys. This is the first time I'm actually not doing my strategy properly, but yeah, no, that high is way too much for a day trading strategy. Okay, cool. So this is us. So anything within this zone right here is a selling zone, okay? And we're looking for sells anywhere between this zone. That's what we're doing. Okay, cool. 1 hour time frame. So any significant levels on the 1 hour time frame. So obviously we have this level right here. 1 hour right here and 1 hour right here. Okay, cool. 30 minutes. Let's look at James indicator. So where was New York's? Okay, so this is actually where, hold on. Yeah, this is actually where thingy was, Asia was. Okay, so Asia high was here. We took Asia highs out, and now we're looking for shorts. So this is actually perfect right here. We're actually going to probably look for shorts sooner rather than later. Our target is going to be below Asia range over here for the continuation back down. So yeah, thank you, James, for that indicator. Lovely stuff. So we did actually take out these highs over here, these significant highs. We finished back down below. Okay, cool. Did we break any major structure level? Let's go to 5 minute. We actually did over here. Actually broke major structure level. We didn't really form much of an imbalance, I guess, over here. But that's fine. Okay, cool. I'm just looking wait for a retracement now. Let's look at session volume profile. Okay, our session volume profile is actually balanced, which is nice. Though. So we did actually miss our best buys. Our best buys would have been around this level right here. I know I'm looking at it in hindsight, but best buys was here because it was overall a bullish, overall balance, right? We broke the highs. We know that around the highs it's actually safer to take the sells, so I would have been happy to take the sells there. Plus we had a structure level over here, so unfortunately, you know, we missed it, but it's fine. We can just wait for a retracement. So as for a retracement level, let's look for it right now. Two minutes to let it open. Thank you, Elite Man. By the way, the Elite Man is not in the call right now. I think it's because I tried to get him to do the FOMC meeting last night, as in like the stream, and he pussied out. Yeah, that's right, he did. I literally was like to him, bro, all you have to do is just hop on. I'll even give you the stream code. All you gotta do is go on there. We'll all be on Discord, we'll be on Zoom, we'll all back you up. He pussied out and said no. That's why he's having a strop right now, and that's why he's in the chat and not in the Zoom call. Just to let you guys know.
I was gonna ask why.
Yeah, that's why. That's why.
Billy man, gay ass in it, man.
Yeah, well, you know what I mean. He was like, fine, then I won't call. Yes, I was like, fine, don't.
No, I need him to say potatoes to me.
Yeah, there's no one to say potatoes, bro. What's now it's just it's so empty.
Oh, thanks.
No, I meant without the potatoes, it's empty, bro. Nah, don't be like that. Don't be like that. Nah.
I'm gonna have a strop now as well.
Oh, bro, I'll be alone, bro.
Love you potatoes.
No, can't be having that. Yeah, we love your potatoes, Elite Man. That's why I said it. Okay, cool. So let's look for a retracement around this zone right here. Let's see if that works. So we'll wait for a pullback, and then we'll determine the pullback later. So I'll actually set an alert. Okay. Now I will do interactions. Add alert over here. Okay, cool. So guys, give me a pair, commodities, metal, or whatever you guys want. So what pair have you guys always wanted to do but never got to do it? Everyone in the chat, go ahead. I think obviously Chris yesterday and for the past 2 days saying platinum, so I'll be doing platinum. Elite Man, I will actually, you know what? For the love of God, bro. I swear to God. GU my ass, bro. We all trade GU. There you go. Come back. Free my mans. Free my potatoes. He didn't do nothing.
Oh, my stream's glitched too. Oh, my Wi-Fi's come down.
Oh, it's probably my stream. Hold on, let's check.
No, it's mine. Oh, wait. Yeah, no, it's mine.
No, calm. I mean, you're still on a Zoom call, so that works.
Yeah.
But yeah, guys. So yeah, like, if you guys don't say a pair, all right, I will actually just do platinum, and I'll be starting to test platinum because I can actually trade platinum on FTMO, so that works for me. Unless you guys have something else. This strategy will work best if we were all interactive. By the way, let me get my Google Sheets up. You've been through. Okay, cool. So I guess it's gonna be platinum then. All right, it's gonna be platinum. Cool. XPT USD. All right. So first of all, how are we doing with platinum?
You shush it, man.
Hmm?
Did you shush it?
Yeah, I did shush him. Yeah, I shushed him.
Oh, I was gonna say.
He said GU. He said GU. I shushed him. Yeah, you got shushed, bro.
Yeah, say nothing, Elite Man. Say nothing.
What now, Elite Man? Say something. Say something. Okay, so what I'll actually just delete everything over here. Delete that for now. Yeah. Okay, cool. What I'm gonna do is create a spreadsheet to track, what's it called? Platinum. Okay, so by that I'm gonna create almost like what it does during the Asia session, what it does during the New York session, and whatever. But I'd like to get an idea of what it's like first. Yo, I'm back, cuz. What's up, bro? What's up? Who is this brother? It's Caleb, man.
No,
We should use his brother. It's Caleb. There he is.
Like that, yeah.
He's gonna shush you soon. I'm telling you, he's gonna shush you. He's gonna start to shush you, bro. Why, JP? You're gonna come on the stream too? Is that what's going on? Who's this brother? All right, cool. Okay, let's look. So it's gonna be a day trading strategy. So in terms of time frames, I kind of want to go for 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. Soon. Get your money up, and then yeah, get your money up, bro, and then we'll start doing it. Nah, jokes. I'll send you the link whenever, bro. Need to buy a webcam. I don't have a webcam on my PC. Actually, I do, but I just can't be asked to connect it. But yeah, don't need a webcam. My voice is enough. You guys can hear the voice. It also cracks sometimes, which is quite weird, but you know, I have gone through. Never mind. We'll move on. So, platinum, how does it work? Let's see. So overall, what's it been for the past year? To be fair, it looks quite actually a decent pair to trade, you know. Well, not pair, but metal to trade. It's very consolidative though, but the consolidation seems to be quite massive. When it breaks out, you can see breakout, massive move, breakout, and it's like a more of a, yeah, I like this. Cool. All right. Okay, so how are we gonna do this? So let's create a little sheet. So yeah, this is what I normally do when I'm starting a new strategy. So if you guys want to make notes now. This is a quality if I can spell platinum tracking quality stream, boys. This is what the stream's gonna be like for the next, you know, few until I finish the strategy, and then once I finish the strategy, obviously I'll be using it live rather than actually making it, if that makes sense. 36. Cool. Right. So first of all, we need a date. No, not date. Session. We need sessions. We need to track the sessions, whether it needs to be, whether it's overall bullish, so the direction and the session. What else? What else do we need to track on the session? How much it moves by. If you guys are tracking session, what else would you be tracking? Whether it takes any significant level. What else? Okay, that's fine for now. Okay, as for maybe the day, whether it takes previous day. The last 5-minute candle in GJ. Let's look at that. Got me laughing. I don't know why. It's not gonna be a joke. It's just gonna be dead. Oh damn. Well, that was our retracement level, boys, that we missed because I was trying to. Well, okay, hold on. We'll enter now. Shorts up here. Targets down to here. Okay, boys. This is not a good strategy to use. Don't copy this. Don't at all. I don't even recommend, like, if you're brave or not. Just don't copy this one. Market. It's gonna be a sell. 300 lots. Sell. Obviously, stop loss is gonna be up here. Because I was looking for a retracement. That's why I'm entering now. Take profit down to here. Modify, cool. Alright, let's see how that works. Okay, we'll continue back to our thing. Yeah. Yeah, I took shorts there. It is part of the strategy, although not really. Cool. Alright, so previous day, whether it took the weekly zone, weekly level. No, we don't need the weekly level because it's a day trading strategy. No, don't need the day either because it's a day trading strategy, so I don't need that. It's all about sessions on this one. Okay, cool. It'll be easy then. So obviously, we need. Yo, Calum, how do you trade? He's new. He's still learning. Sorry, Calum. I didn't mean to answer for you, but carry on.
No, it's fine. I just said I don't.
He doesn't. Not yet. He's gonna need to be better than all of you lot combined. Though, watch this. If I don't make it happen, I'll quit trading within a year. No doubt.
Project Mark. Forget Project Mbappe, we've got Project Mark.
Project Mbappe, bro. Nah, yeah. No, Project Calum, bro.
Oh yeah, shit.
I almost thought it was a deal. Ah!
Bro, that's just racist.
I can't lie, when you first joined though, because I forgot that I sent someone else the link. I was like, you changed, bro. When did you get a what? I was like, first of all,
Fully voided.
when did you get a decent ass webcam? Because his webcam was kind of
This shit. This one's
Nah,
shit.
his
The
webcam was
light
worse.
is
Have you
not
seen
right.
it?
I have, but it's not that. Your webcam is small. Thanks, James. I'll take that into consideration.
Bro, he wasn't talking about your webcam.
What?
I think he was calling you small, bro. I don't know what it was. I wouldn't take it if I were you. I'd probably.
Bro, it literally says your webcam.
Nah, I reckon he called you. I was like, wait, bro, you're small. That's what he said, bro. It said you're small.
I'm not gonna.
I wouldn't take that. Personally, though, it's just personal. Isn't it?
I'm not.
If you're okay to take it, you're okay to take it. It's fine. If that's what you are, if that's who you are.
I just came from the gym. That's what I'm wearing. I just came back.
You came from the gym, right? You got a pump. But he still called you small. How do you feel? Nah, I can't be. I'm gonna start bio. I'm gonna start the violation, bro. We're good. Before I go to Loughborough and get jumped.
That's already planned.
Is it?
Yeah,
Bro, you and Adil can get all the smoke you want, bro. Trust me. You lot can have all the smoke you want. You'll be in a headlock before you even know it, guys. Both of you combined together. No cap. Straight up.
Oh, that was killing me.
Literally, I pull up, yeah.
I'm not hungry, guys.
I'll pull up. You're not gonna try it. You're not gonna try it. You two are gonna try jump with me, but it's gonna be done. Done for both of you. I'll even bring my boy JP with me. I'll pick up my boy JP from Bristol, and then we'll be coming at Loughborough. Coming your ends.
Oh, that's true.
Sorry, for you non-UK lot, the slang was basically, I just said, respectfully, I will be knocking your heads in. We'll slide in the whip, Mark. Yeah, bro, 100%. We'll slide in the whip, and then nothing else. We won't even get out the whip. They'll be done before they know it, bro.
I want to get on camera and the mic.
Asia. Sorry, what was that? Asia session. Session. Oh, I missed that session. That was stupid of me. By the way, guys, until further notice, I'll be taking over the stream. I know you guys already know that, but anyways, until further notice, I'll be taking over the stream. But I won't be New York. I won't be doing New York because I can only do one stream a day because I got loads of work. And plus, bro, have you guys seen these electricity prices, man? Jesus Christ. Got my PC running 24/7. It's already too much. Too much. Bro, it's like, what, 20 quid a day on electricity just to run that PC? Nah, allow that. Can't be having that. That's commission. That's commission money. Okay, so Asia, we need to find out the direction, movement, any significant level. So significant levels being, if you know, you know, Aurora. Trust me. Oh, potatoes. Bro, free my man's is free by now, surely. He's free by now. Free my man's, bro. Okay, movement, direction, what else? Any significant levels, so that would be... for Asia, what would it be? Let's look at Asia. Thankfully, we have this thing to help us out with Asia. So it would be previous session high and low, so it would be New York so where's New York session back in the day? Back in here. So it would be the start 8 o'clock onwards. Okay, so it would be, yeah. So Asia, New York high. New York low. Rip Smox trade. Did I get absolutely clapped? Did I get clapped? Yeah, I did. Okay. Rip my trade indeed. Might be the first. You know what? I'll take the alpha today. If I doubt it's gonna be an out. I reckon I will survive this trade. It probably will go down to this zone right here, but yeah. Direction. So New York low, New York high. Okay, whether it's been taken, whether it's not, and then how much it moved by. I'm gonna go with that. does it react? JP, this might look familiar to you and how I'm doing it. It's just a little bit different because it doesn't need to be as complex because it's a day trading one. Hold it and take the loss like a man. Bro, it's a demo trade. How much like... Oh no! Oh no, I lost no money? Ah! my heart. Nah, jokes. I'm not gonna lose it anyway. See, you lot in the chat that's telling I'm not gonna lose it. That's the thing. Guys, when was the last time you saw me lose? Think about it. Think about when the last time you guys saw me lose.
It's not a pressing me.
If I didn't lose yesterday, or the day before that, what's making you guys think I'll lose today? Although, first of all, this is scaring me now.
How is Nightbot not going for that?
Who?
For James.
James, what do you say?
Calling him a pussy.
Because he's a mod, I think, that's why.
Oh.
That BTC short. Hold up. There's a BTC short. Hold on. Oh, this one right here. Yeah, no.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see many BTC shorts here, bro. I can't lie to you. It looks like you would have died. I'm a mod, my boy. He's got privileges.
Even if he didn't, so I hadn't.
Can't lie, James got white boy privileges in the chat. You know what I mean? When it's you, Caleb, like it takes you out. Do you know what I mean? Nightbot goes for you. When it's James,
yeah,
bro, he's got that.
James is Nightbot. I'm calling.
Yeah, Mr. Sensei. Yeah, bro. Talk to me when you pass your verification, Mr. Sent. Now, jokes. All love. I didn't mean to violate you. There was no need for that. When do you think you're gonna pass it though? 5% in a day, I reckon. James, if you don't pass 5% in a day, nah, disappointed. I can't lie to you. How does it react? Total pips move. What, you need 10 days? Have you done 10 days already? You mean you passed FTMO 10 days after you started? Oh, imagine not passing it in a day. Oh god, what does that feel like? What does that feel like, James? Wait, you didn't pass it in one trade? What does that feel like? Jokes. I close my eyes and I hope click. Yeah. Yeah, me too. Imagine taking a trade every day. What does that feel like, JP? What does that feel like? Hold on. Am I still losing badly? Or am I shutting down the haters? Shutting down the haters somewhat over here. ICT ways. Yeah, he's got the ICT ways. Yeah. He goes crazy with it. New York lows. How does it react? Total pips moved. Okay, so I'm not actually gonna do. I will do New York actually. Okay, cool. And copy all of this. Control C, Control V. A lot of effort makes a lot of money. Good point. You sure about that? Ask Roger Banks. He'd say otherwise, mate. No effort. Ask Elite Man. He would say otherwise. No effort, bro. Nah, jokes. Yeah, I need to stop hating on other strategies. I can't lie. That was my New Year's resolution. 4 to 5 months. Now, to be fair, James got a very simplistic approach to the market, but it is very effective. I'll give him that. Very effective. Movement, New York highs. Instead of New York highs, it's going to be Asia highs. Instead of New York lows, it's going to be Asia lows. And New York again, so... I never knew who Roger Bank was until I watched his stream yesterday. He's alright though, isn't he? Like, he's okay. His strategy works to some extent, I would say. he's made money, so I can't really say, you know, anything. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at so far. Wait, I don't even know what they look for entries. So Asia. So basically, in Asia, I want to look at the previous New York session, right? So obviously during Asia, the previous session, the session before that is going to be New York. So I want to see, does it take New York's highs? Does it not? Okay, how does it react? So I'm going to have plenty of different variables, whether it be it pushed up and then it took the highs, continued down. It took the highs, consolidated, then pushed up. It took the highs, continued up without a problem. All of them stuff. Total pips, total pips moved. So what I'm gonna do with this total pips move is, okay, so when it does take the highs, what is the total movement of it? So whether from the low and from the highs, whatever the reaction was, whether it would be a reversal, continuation, consolidation, I'm gonna take the lows from the highs and see what the pip movement is. New York lows, okay, so again, does it take the New York lows? Does it not? Okay, what's the reaction of it? So let's look at, for example, let's say this is let's say this is New York highs right here. No, this is a bad example because it'll be annoying to do. Okay, so let's say this is New York highs right here, New York lows, and this is New York highs. This is where the session ends. Let's say this is where the session ends right here. So what I want to do now is, if I just go over here. Okay, how does it react? So during this session right here, how does it react to these highs? Okay, so it pushed up, consolidated, then continued up. Okay, now I'm gonna go, okay, how big was the move actually? 506 pips, great, okay. Okay, this New York low right here. What happened to it? So it broke the New York low. What's the reaction? Oh, it just continued down. Okay, cool. What's the high from the low? So the high started this candle all the way down to where the low is, and then I'll do that before the session stops, basically. Here we go at, let's say, you know, 10,653 pips, or in this case I think it'll be 1,000 pips. I don't know how platinum works exactly yet. You want to learn how James trades? I'll show you. I know most people's strategy in the group. James can confirm or deny, but I'll show you later. Actually, I'll show you now. Let's get euro dollar. First of all, boys, I told you I don't lose. Secondly, let's go in euro dollar. Right, you see that? I don't lose, boys. So first of all, he would look at, well, I don't know everything, but in terms of entry, this is what he looks for. So let's look at this indicator right here. You see it right here. He looks at the daily bias first of all. I don't know how he sets his daily bias. As of right now, I would assume he's probably going for longs. Just looking at the overall trade. Am I right so far, James? You looking for longs? Well, you're not trading right now, but if you were to trade, you're looking for longs, right? Until it breaks this low, you're not looking for shorts or something. Yeah. Cool. Three candle formation, 3 candle low. This one. Okay, cool. So far, that's what I figured. Oh my god, I'm stumped. I actually forgot how you traded. Goddamn. I haven't seen your trade in so long. My bias is bullish now. I'm waiting for entries. So for example, like this one, right? So it took you can see that it took the Asia low. Okay, so now because he's long, he's looking for bullish entries to the upside. For that to happen, he needs a few things. So one, he needs a break of structure. 2, he needs a imbalance formed. And 3, I'm pretty sure it needs to happen in a time of volume. I'm pretty sure that's one of his. I don't remember. I may be getting mixed up because I know too many people's strategies, but I think that's the 3 things that he looks for. If not, please correct me. There you go. Okay, so for example, with this one, he has a major structure. Well, a structure over here. So what he'll wait for now is a break of the structure. Go on to the 1 minute, 5 minute, whatever time frame he's looking at. Most likely 1 minute. I'll hide this for now. He would wait for a break of structure, an imbalance to be formed, whether it's something like this. So let's look at the. So imagine it looks like that. And then like the next candle to not meet the other one, something like this. And he would enter like that. He would basically enter as soon as an imbalance is formed. Imbalance, I'm talking about like this, right? So when the low of this candle does not meet the high of this candle, so there's nothing like meeting it. Or for example, a better example would be here, here, and here. That's an imbalance. I've just lost the trade. I think that's what that's what the I think that's what the thing is. Yeah, there it is. Not quite, but yeah. Basically, when a fair value gap is formed, price to retest. Okay, it does need to retest the fair value gap. I wasn't sure about that. I didn't ask questions, but that's basically how he's looking to trade. I'll continue with this now. Alright, so I don't really need movement, so what would our movement be? Okay, cool. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, so should we use that? That's a good basic thing. I think I'll start to look at fair value gaps, maybe as back tests. Nah, I don't want to see a strategy. I'll do something else. I'll steal JPs. I'll do trend lines first. I'll test trend lines. Okay, so platinum trend line. Hope you don't mind. I don't mind JP, but taking your trend line, bro. Trend line XPT USD. Okay, so let's actually now, the way I do it and the way I go about it is obviously I test individual strategies first. So I test like a trend line, a support resistance, and whatnot first on a specific time frame. So for example, this one's going to be a 4-hour time frame. I'm just going to see what the reaction is of a trend line in a 4-hour time frame, and then maybe I'll move on to the 1 hour, the 15-minute, 30-minute, and whatnot. Okay, so all right, let's get the 4-hour time frame. Let's go back in time. Well, let's delete everything first. Go like this, so you guys, so I'm not cheating. Yeah, I'm just gonna look at the basics of trendline, just using intuition first, and then after that, obviously, I'm gonna be taking screenshots and stuff, and then looking at, okay, what actually makes this trendline valid? What makes it invalid? Why? How come this one lost? How come this one won? And that's how I'm gonna go about basically doing my data, and I'm gonna do that for obviously all the different strategies I'm looking at. Oh, I lost the trade. GG. Hold on. Hold up. Oh, L in the chat, boys. L in the chat. Yeah, happens. How's the deals FTMO doing as well? I am not quite sure, to be honest. Yeah, not too sure. I'm not too sure. Told you. JP, there was a 50-50 chance you made it right or not. Alright, okay, so calm. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Why you haven't spoke to him? I just haven't spoke about his FTMO, to be honest. That's all it is. I always wait for people to tell me about it first. So for example, like James, I haven't spoke about his FTMO in a while, but he was, he said, oh, I passed it, then we can start talking about it. Because I think when you talk about FTMO with other people, it's too much of a, too much of pressure to them. Because like, as soon as you ask them, have you passed it? And then they're like, oh, not yet. And they probably feel, they're going to start to feel a little bit too much pressure. Okay, so for this one, let's mark on this zone. Okay, so this one, we'll basically see the reaction. Okay, so this one, how do I, shall we do even angles? I think we should even go a step further and start doing angles for trend lines. But how am I going to do that though? I don't know how to. Is there an angle tool? No. Okay, we'll do that later on. I'll find that out later. So what I want to find out is, okay, so the time frame. I need to find out the reaction time. Let's look at the Discord. Oh, hello, Mimo. I think that's actually the official 100th person on Discord, boys. I think that is the official person 100th. Congratulations. You win absolutely nothing. I can't lie. I didn't prepare anything for you. Sorry, boys. God. Yeah, 100 person. There we go. Live on call. I hope he hasn't left. Let's see if he left or not. Be pretty awkward if he did before we could even... I don't know. I'll check later. But yeah, I think that's officially the 100th person anyway, so... The time, reaction. What else? What else can I track about this? It needs to be a little bit more simple. But at the same time, I need to be able to find what works and what doesn't. How to draw the trend line. Candle body. candle body, wicks. Calm. In other notes, by the way, just something point of conversation, bro. I literally watched I think a 12-hour live stream of, well, it wasn't live, but someone live streaming them programming yesterday. It was interesting. That guy, I don't, if that's how coders work and think, I have no chance, no shot, bro. This guy was coding 200 words per second. I was like, damn. No worries, man. No worries. We are coding tonight. If that's the case, please do, because I'm starting to get class, I'm starting to get objects, I'm starting to get all of that and how to use them. Although in indicators, I don't think we need to use too many of that, right? If I'm mistaken. Also, Trade Uncharted yesterday gave me a solution. Let me know if it actually works and what your point of view on it is, James. You know, because I was asking everyone, okay, so how do I prove something is balanced or imbalance, okay? So, I mean, the volume profile. How do I prove something in a session volume is imbalance, whatever. Let's go on a clean chart. Yeah, okay. I review the code today. No, that's not that code was that was me asking ChatGPT how to do it as well. I will DM to you. His solution was, it wasn't programming, it was more calculus, he said. So as in, like, he tried to prove it in a mathematical sense, right? So first of all, he said the best way to do it is kind of draw a trend line. Not trend line, sorry. Draw a moving average. So if I just get my pen tool. For anyone that looking to code as well, this might be interesting for you guys. Those that have no interest in it, you know, give me a second. I'll be back to trading. He said, I see. You want to apply, yeah, yes. To apply the actual chart, yeah. So what I want to do is basically, he said, have a formula that draws a moving average, right? That way, okay, so for example, like this one, this moving average will look like this, okay? And he basically said, okay, now what you can do is count how many times the trend line curve is equal to 0, basically a straight line. So this point right here, this will be a straight line at some point because it curves, right? So he said this will obviously become, because there's only one, you can just assume that it's going to be in the middle. Whereas this one, because there's, what, one over here, 2 over here, 3 over here, 4 over here, 5 over here, six overall, like, straight lines, basically. 6, you know, where the curve is equal to 0. That means it's an imbalanced volume profile. Does that make sense? Do you think this will actually work, or do you think this is like, is there an easier solution to find something that's balanced and imbalanced? I don't know if I explained it well enough. I think you're smart. You're very smart enough to understand, even though when someone doesn't know, explain it properly. But yeah, that's basically what the solution that, well, he came up with, and I was like, that's actually a smart move. It may also work as well with structure and times, structure and you know, with price. So as in, this will what it look like, right, in terms of price action. And then what you could look for is, if you're looking for the most significant high, then you could say is look for where the nearest y equals 0. Where the moving average curve is equal to 0, which is going to be here. So this is the most significant high. Or if you want to do the second significant high, you can go for this one. So on. I don't know. What do you think? Something to think about. Obviously, you don't have to think about it now, but yeah. Hope that made sense. Okay, so yeah, whether I drew with a wicks, whether I drew it with a candle body, or whether I mixed it. The trend, bullish or bearish. Okay, cool. Those are the things I'm going to be looking for this specific trend line. Okay, so let me just make that now. So I want to first have the time and the date even. That would be even good. That would be even better as well. Maybe how many touches the trend line has. because this may lead to the fact me knowing, okay, whether it's a valid one or not. Because if it only has like 2 touches, maybe it's less valid than a trend line that's 3 touches, basically. You know, how I drew the trend line, basically. Whether I use the wicks or whether I use the candle body or I use a mix, and then the trend overall. And then obviously the result, whether it broke or it didn't. So the results will be, let me just write the results down so I have an idea. Okay, so the results will be, it broke, respected, and then fake out is another one. So those are the 3 results that I can do. So basically 3 things might happen with a trend line. So first of all, let me hide this. For a trend line, 3 things might happen. So it either respects it, continues, or obviously the 3rd touch over here, it breaks it and then continues down. Or the 4th one is the most, you know, the one I'm really looking for is the fake out over here. That might be a good one to look for. Okay, let's look into this. All right, XPT-USD. Don't worry, this is just the start of it, boy. Once we start actually getting some data in, it'll be more interesting because we'll actually start to backtest a proper strategy rather than just single things. So eventually this will be a little bit better. All right, 4-hour time frame. Let's go like this again. I think James is either thinking or didn't hear what I said, but I need to put some music on. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll make a playlist tomorrow, put music on. Even if we get copyrighted, it'll be fine. So what? Sorry, I was writing an email. Oh, I'll show it to you later. So basically, it was a way to prove whether a volume profile is balanced or not. I'll show it to you later. Time. Yeah, that'll be fine. How many touches? Cool. With the moving average, right? So yeah, basically a moving average. You draw a moving average around the volume profile, and just see basically how many touches it's got. If it's like a smooth, like D-shaped curve, then clearly it will be a balanced one. It's a smart calculus way of doing it. I just don't know if it will work for coding. Sound. Okay, cool. So let's just move this now. We don't need this. We'll put this on the side. I'll go over here. We'll put this above. And then I'll actually have a photo over here. Before. Nothing is impossible in coding. That is true. Just know how complex it is. Everything is impossible when you've only been coding for 2 months. Yay, that's what that's what I say. Okay, so right. How many touches? That one can be normal. The trend we'll go over here. That's very true. Didn't have to shut my confidence down like that. Damn. No, I'm joking. Okay, how would you do the trend line? What I'll do over here is actually go like that. I'll wrap it. I got you, don't stress. What a legend. That's what I like to hear. That's what I needed to hear. Wrap it like that. I'll put middle. Okay, cool. Nice. How I drew the trend line. So let's just add conditioning formatting. Data validation, add rule. If we find anything else, then don't like that. There you go. So far, let's target for like, it'll be a quick 50 ones. Oh, Elite Man is still around. I thought he had I thought he threw a straw. Yeah, man, you're funny. You should be here. Trend overall. Oh my gosh, my throat is itching now. I feel like I'm getting ill. I think I may actually be on strike at some point soon. Watching how Mark teach and roast me. I guess that's a great way to do it, I guess. Trend overall says either bullish or bearish. To see only two options really. Add rule. Oh, bullish, bearish, no, it can't be consolidation. Can it be consolidation? If there's a yeah, No, I can't. Go for 50, yeah. We'll shoot for 50 like quick ones. Results. That one can be done. That one can be done by itself before. How many touches before? That one can be done by itself as well. Oh, result. Never mind. This one is. Add rule. This one is going to be broke. JP, you should join the stream. He will soon. Respected. Fake out. Oh, he'll be DJ too. He's got some nice playlists. That one's wrong. I did that one wrong. Whoops. Data validation. You have a mic. I didn't mean to say that he was gonna sing. I just meant he'll put some songs on something. Like, damn, okay. Alright. Mark said my beautiful voice. I mean, to be fair, you know what? I heard he can. I heard he writes some. You know, he's got some bars on him. So that's what I heard, anyways. Candle. Wick. You just want to see his nyash. What? His nyash? Wait, what? Excuse me? Come again? Come again? You got me like messed up now, bro. I can't lie. Yeah, we'll put some music on next time so it's a little bit more chilling. Ah, screw it. You know what? We'll have lo-fi music for now. Let's see if we get copyrighted. Study lo-fi. Always the best. She's a MVP.
Here's how easily you can build one in ClickUp.
You know what? Getting YouTube Premium might be worth now if I'm gonna do this. If it's too loud, let me know. Nyash. Yeah, nyash. Okay, cool. Say what? Nyash. It's a weird word to say, to be honest. I can't lie. If that's what you're saying, but... Or lo-fi. I don't know what word you're saying, but... So everyone take a... Yeah, best time to sleep. Well, you guys don't use it for study music. Nah, to be fair, I don't. I actually put actual music when I study, I can't lie, but yeah, okay. Let's get into this now then. So, we have a trend line over here. You know what, we'll reset it over here because we actually have a trend line. So this one I use candle wicks on. Joking, joking. Guess it sounds like CP music. It does sound like CP. You're right. That's not a touch yet. It's not a touch. Okay, not a touch. It's just missing it. If I use candle bodies, it would have touched, right? Okay, for this one, I'll say candle bodies for this one. By the way, I know I'm doing it in hindsight, but that's because I'm still trying to get data. I'm still trying to prove that this strategy actually works, and after that, I won't be using data. I mean, I won't be using hindsight, just to let you guys know. Okay. That's not gonna work. Sunday, 21 o'clock. Mark attempting to use trend lines correctly. I like it. I'm trying to prove that it doesn't work, mate. I'm trying. How many touches the trend line? I got 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is now the so it's 4. Okay, that's what I'm gonna do. How I drew the trend line, it's actually mixed. It's got body, wick, body, wick. Okay. Trend overall is bullish. Result. Clap, clap, clap for Mark. What are we clapping for? Right, next. By the way, how's GJ doing? Did it tap me out and continue down? Yeah, it did. I knew that thing was a little bit greedy, but... What? Don't mind me, don't mind me. Hold on 1 second. This is what it's like to demo trade. You don't even care about what happens to your money. Oh, this is so good. Why haven't I been demo trading this entire time? JP, you still on no Zoom? Yeah, come for chess, come for chess. I'll send you the link. 9 o'clock, so we'll go at 9 o'clock. We'll start doing the chess at 9 o'clock. About 30 minutes after that. We'll just get a few data points here. Okay, that's another touch. $5 o'clock. Monday. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go.
Hello.
He's here, look. He's made it, boys. Yanar is here.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me just get this. There we go. That's what I'm gonna do now from now on. There we go. Cool, 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 cool. Alright, next. Get your butt here or need link. Oh, so you came onto the Zoom call so you guys can play chess together.
Nah. That wasn't the reason. You were so lonely.
I'm working, that's why. This is what it's like to work, I can't lie. I can't be as entertaining if I'm doing this. I just hope it's
I
enough
feel-
value to make sense. Here we go, fake out. By the way, the minimum touches it will be is 2, because for a trend line to happen, it needs at least 2. I can't have a trend line if it's just 1 point. So that's another thing that I got. 1, so 1, 2, 3 wicks right there. So that's 3 so far. At the time of when does it respect? Okay, so over here, 5 o'clock, 23rd of September, Sunday. Sunday. This 3. It's actually, this one's just wicks. It's bullish overall. Fake out. Oh, JP needs a link. If you want, send him a link. Be my guest. Be my guest.
Yep. I don't know. He have the link. You are
No, I think I've given him before. I think.
I'm gonna send him.
The hell kind of trend line reaction is this? Consolidation? Hold up trading right now. What's Caleb saying?
I sent him private message, so.
I'll read that later. I don't want to read it in front of the chat. Sorry, Caleb. In case it was something important.
Something naughty. Like
if there's
you-
anything important, yeah, I didn't want to put it on the, for everyone to see. So, yeah, so just chill with it. Okay, so this is the trend line right here. This one is candle body only. Got 1, 2 touches of candle body. So, go over here. Collect some quick data, boys. Next touch is, that doesn't count as a touch, that counts as a touch. It's Wednesday 13. This has had 2 touches prior. Candle body only. It's bearish. What's the reaction? Guess continuation.
Breakdown.
Respected. And then lastly,
Oh shit.
yeah. What happened?
The GT was fast moving up and
You made money, lose money?
no, I don't make money.
You didn't
I
make
should-
money. No money
Observe.
today. Observe.
Well, I made money today already. So.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I lost the trade again. God damn it.
Yes,
Did you
it's
do?
going up. It's going up. Like what?
I got my bias wrong today. Damn. Sucks, bro. Sucks. Can't lie. Alright, cool. So we break over here. 1300. This is the Thursday 5 o'clock. So when there's 3 touches, it's all candle body, it's bearish, it broke. Took a 1-to-1, should have held. Yeah. And that's the highest it's been. So the lowest it's been, sorry, there you go. Boom. Not mad though, move 30 pips in 30 seconds. That's crazy. Hold on 1 second. Is GJ being a dick then? Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah, he's being a dick. That's bad.
Like always.
Oh, there we go. Wait, 1 second. Securing partials on GBP AD. 1 second, boys.
Yes. You have tried.
Okay, so securing more partials on GBP80 over here is hit the weekly zone. I am actually going to be a little bit more aggressive with this though. I'm going to actually move my stop loss down up to these wicks right here. But 1 second. 1.74481. Okay, cool. Right. Let's look at GJ. Yeah, liquidity's been taken again. I thought liquidity would have been taken, but it's fine. I guess I was liquidity in this sense, in this case. Damn. Imagine being liquidity. Wow. Imagine having a retail mindset. Yuck. Ugh. Poor trading for me, that. Poor trading.
Well, possibly it's going down today. If the news coming out.
I am actually looking at selling Bitcoin, by the way. Again, I know I was looking at sells yesterday, but yeah, I did get tapped out. Well, no, I didn't get tapped out. I lost this one. I never entered because I didn't anticipate price to reach that level. This might not be a bad selling point for Bitcoin, to be honest. We'll look at that later on.
Unlucky.
We have 6 minutes left. I will be doing continuing the backtest, by the way. I'm just showing you guys, this is how I'm going to be backtesting another 50 trades. So after today, by tomorrow, I should have 50 data points on this. If not, we'll continue tomorrow, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Obviously trying to now identify what kind of trend line we're looking at and what's the best thing to use. Do we see any patterns? Maybe if we only use candle, it's actually more accurate when we use only candle wicks. Is it more thingy and somewhat? So that's what we're gonna do. Obviously we're gonna look at them individually, but yeah, 6 minutes, 5 minutes left till we play chess. We can get a few more in. See, this is the issue now. It's like, let's try use wicks over here. If not, we'll use candle bodies. No, I didn't hit at all. I guess the new wave is this one then, isn't it?
Maybe.
Use candle bodies because candle bodies do make sense. So yeah, cool. My buy is still bearish on GJ, but I'm not going to be trading that today. I've made my money for the week. I got what? I got EU and GA. Bitcoin I did lose.
Well, at least you.
Wednesday, 3rd of October. Sorry.
You win.
I did win, yeah. I won on live, but I lost on demo. Ha! Oh well. Whoopsies.
I was already. Whoopsies.
Oh dear. Oh no, I lost fake money. How am I supposed to live with myself now?
I don't know.
For the year. What percent am I up for the year? Why?
Yes.
Nah, that's a no-go, bro.
Seems like maybe only 1%.
What?
Yeah? 1%.
1%?
Yeah.
For the year?
Yeah. You, yeah.
To be fair, it's not that high because I lost a lot in
I
December.
You're slower. Oh shit. But they're more than.
I'll say it to you on DM. I won't say it to you on live. Don't care how many people watching. It's replay, innit? I'll say it to you on live. DM, I don't care.
It's okay, it's okay.
The year has just started. No, okay, for the year, I am up a decent amount, especially if I reach 1%. In terms of my actual account, it's quite low because obviously I lost quite. Well, I didn't lose quite a bit. I was in drawdown for the previous month in December, so obviously I had to make that back in my FTMO. But for the year, it's okay. Yeah, it's been a I've recovered, bro. It's calm, but it's not as high as I would say because I did have a massive win streak. Just wanted to know your results so far.
True.
2022, I made 130% on my accounts. Jeez.
This year.
Jeez. Okay, cool. Over here. It was candle, 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 bullish, bullish, bullish. It has, I don't know what happened. It broke, it broke. More like consolidation really, but yeah. Looking to grab entries on EU soon. Hey, yo. Guessing buys? Hold on, let's check. Let's check if I can find it. Let's see if I can find. Yeah, definitely buys. 1 second.
James, you should say yes, mommy.
Yeah. Let's look at the 5-minute. Broke this. Maybe this is the major zone that James is looking for. Look at the 1 minute. It's creating imbalance. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Maybe it's gonna break.
Looks good though. There you go, that's what he's going to be looking for. So he's going to wait for a finish, I'm guessing, on the 1 minute here. Retest this zone right here, and he is off to the races. That's my anticipation of his trade here. Obviously, the benefit of waiting for a retest over here is that you get a way better entry than trying to anticipate price continue. Way better entry. That's why I like retracement trades, by the way, and below Asia range. Also below Asia range. Oh, nice.
Yep, it is.
Oh, it is also below Asia range. A
Yes.
beautiful entry, yeah. So now all James is gonna wait for is a pullback into these zones right here. Start to rally. Yes, sir. The power of fair value gaps. Indeed, indeed, indeed. I wait for retracements always, but not like this. Not like this.
And if coming to news, then it's going back down.
Yeah. Oh,
And it's coming back up, I think.
okay, cool. Let's do it. Play a friend. Create challenge. Copy link. All right, elite man. Here you go. Me and you.
Me and you.
Me and you, bro. I'll send it to you now.
Yep.
There it is. There it is. All right. Ooh. What does that free up? Absolutely nothing. Should I do that? What would I get out of it? That wasn't very nice, was it?
I know.
Alright, well... Oh, now? You're gonna eat that, I guess. That's free for the taking. That was a bit of a stupid move for me.
Was.
Probably should have moved my queen up instead. Probably would have been a little bit better, to be honest. Or even moved my... Oh. That's odd. This music. He hating on the music, bro. You have to move your queen or eat mine. I mean, unless you move forward, I guess. Yeah, there you go. That works too. Unicorn on ketamine. I don't know if I'd want that. Oh my gosh. Unicorn on ketamine. I will late. I will maybe. It's on Spotify. I'll put it on tomorrow's Spotify. That's how you get ripped. Alright. I just did I made a mistake there. That was a misclick. That was a stupid misclick. That was.
Whoa, my. Hello?
Yo, what's up, man?
Yo. Came for the chest, man.
Came for the chest.
I'm hearing the music in both calls. This is mad.
You're hearing it from my end? Is it that loud?
Wait, nah, it's not that loud. It's just weird in my eardrums, isn't it?
If I take this, you'll be able to take that way. You can take that side.
No, I had to mute the stream. I could hear myself. That was weird.
You're cheapy?
What'd you say?
You're a cheapy?
Are you alright, GP?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Hey, we should 2v1 or do like a dual chess battle, or have like elite man on one tab, Mark on the other like tab, or both monitors, and I'll just fuck you both up.
Oh my, that'd be cool. That'd be alright. To be fair, we'll do that.
And I'll do it blindfolded. Not joking.
I mean, you can if you want to. It's up to you, bro. I don't mind. Absolutely do not mind.
I done it once when I was a kid, but I can't remember the board so well anymore. I sent that in Discord.
Oh, what is it?
You can see it. It's like a little chess thing.
Oh, is that right? Look at this guy flexing on us, man.
What the heck?
Look at this guy flexing on us. Man, then when I play chess, that's what I mean.
Bro, the way I used to get so gassed when I won them as a kid.
So really, yeah, still get gas, bro. That's calm.
I thought I completed the world.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And he forgot. Oh, it don't pay the bills.
Yeah. Now I forgot. It don't pay the bills unless you're like literally cracked. Like if you're tapped, yeah.
If you're cracked.
If you're tapped and just study chess 24/7 all day, you might get an average salary if you're good. But apart from that,
average, yeah. That's the thing, innit?
I'm not trying to do that.
I don't know what to do now, to be honest.
Well, it's the only thing my mum ever supported me in. Like
that's I don't know. It's a little bit. It's a little bit.
Nah, not like that. Just like obviously school and stuff. But compared to Forex, like she'd prefer me to play chess, bro.
But you don't make money from chess though.
I made like £500.
No, I meant like but you're not enough to make like.
Not enough to make anything.
What she's saying about trading?
Hey,
What?
Caleb's here
Oh,
too.
shit.
Jeez.
So many
we-
people here.
We got all the mandem in
We
here.
got all the
Oh, I
man.
joined 2 minutes ago. I said I would do a free
We got
on
the
one.
top G's. We got the top G's. Mute the stream, JP. What did you move again? Oh damn.
What are you saying, Jake?
You're saying, move your queen to where your bishop is. How does that work?
So I have to move my bishop somewhere where it won't die.
Which is nowhere.
Who normally wins, Elite Man or
It's like 3-1. No, 2-1, something like that. 2-1, 3-1, something like
Yeah, maybe something like that.
Alright, so it's pretty even then. It's pretty even.
that. I wouldn't say it's pretty even in that sense, would you?
You said 3-1 or 3-2?
3-1. 3-1. That ain't
Oh.
even, bro. That's
To
far
Elite
from.
Man.
Yeah, to Elite Man.
Oh, I smoked Elite Man.
Yeah, you smoked Elite Man. Yeah, but. What's your point? Jeremy, what's your point?
I don't know. On this account, it's now at 1,000, but I haven't played that much.
Are you proud of that then? Nah, jokes.
Oh, smoking everyone today.
Callum, you know. Oh no, Caleb. Sorry, my bad. Do you know how to play chess?
Yeah, just not really well though. I had to play.
You should play Mark. I want to smoke Elite Man again.
He wants to smoke again.
I just want him to be humble.
That's a bit of a dick move, isn't it?
Ah,
Kind of ruined my plan there.
I know. That was the plan.
I mean, there is 2 ways I can get around this thing. I don't know how well. I'm gonna
you could
eat that.
I was gonna say, actually, no, Elite Man's already winning. When someone's winning, right, on like points and stuff, little chess tip, you don't want to trade your pieces. Or Mark trades his queen, alright then.
Yeah, trade my queen. There we go.
If you're down pieces, you don't want, especially your queen. Your queen's the root, like really the only thing that can get you back in it. Unless you're like,
Unless you're godly, yeah.
yeah, a godly grandmaster with like your knights and bishops.
You can't be trading the trade.
Take the pawn on a7, move rook up. Check.
No,
I'm joking.
Josh.
Oh look.
No, he's got his bishop. Get both rooks in the middle. Control the center. No, you should have moved the other one, but let me just help Mark for the last bit, see if he can come back from it.
Nah, it's fine, just calm. We got all the time. We don't have to stop at 9:30 in it, so it's calm. We got time.
That GJ candle really caught me off guard.
I can't lie, I got caught off guard by GJ as well.
And the 4th people get the
Well,
cards.
my target was set to that 30 pip mark, but obviously I'm going against the trend, so I'm really looking for a 1-to-1. So I called the 1-to-1,
Right.
and then it started pushing down. I was like, okay, yeah, cool. Now I'm gonna look for these cells, and then randomly, in literally on the 1 minute candle, it spiked up 30 pips. I was like, what the fuck? You see that occasionally. My back testing, I've probably done, I think, over 300 trades now at least. But I'm running out of space because the 5 minute chart only goes back so far.
I knew you were gonna do that. God damn it, man. Why don't you guys practice? Go for a quick practice run.
Why didn't you take the rook, Elite Man? I'm confused.
That is true. I didn't even clock it.
Just for like a beginner set, well, like people that don't play too much. Obviously, knights, bishops are 3, rooks are 5. So rooks are always stronger than your knights and bishops.
Some mad.
It's just
Yeah.
it's just the way they move.
Chris is out here trying to teach you, bro. Chris, it's calm. It's calm. I'm gonna need to learn this anyways. I need to learn from my mistakes.
I think push
Josh.
the G3 pawn.
I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna allow that. I'm gonna allow this.
I said you can take knight, push the g3 pawn, take with bishop, target the.
That's exactly what I'm not gonna do. That's exactly what I'm planning on.
I mean, there's a pin. There's a nice like pin there. See, if you had that pawn on I think it's the f file. F5. If you have that pawn gone and removed, then you could have had a pin.
I'm just learning the ropes, boys. Just look at it.
Wait, Mark, let me control your screen.
Allow yourself, bro.
Let me control your view.
I don't want to trade though. Oh god, this game's too hard, man.
Yeah, Mark, I'll do it.
Allow share screen. Allow user to use.
Yeah,
allow user. That's the vibe.
God, hit me on
What's going on?
How do I? Oh, there we go.
Ash. I don't want to trade, but fuck it, I'm gonna lose. I think I'm heading on to. It's an L game anyway, so it's calm.
Okay.
L game, bro, L game.
Push a rook up by 1. Actually, I don't think there's really any coming back.
There's no coming back to this, man. Especially not at my skill level at the moment.
Unless you share your screen.
I can't lie, even with your skills, I don't know if you can actually take this on.
Oh, that's like I'll happily accept that challenge.
Is that right?
I'll take control here, right now. I'll still smoke a leaf, man.
Oh, shush. You naughty there.
So I have the excuse that I was just losing anyway, so it's a win-win. Oh, what? Yeah, Mark resigned.
I didn't see that, to be fair. God damn it, man.
Bro, that's a one move ahead think.
What? I don't look that far ahead, man.
When you don't. So when you move a piece, you don't even look
No.
one move ahead.
No.
Damn.
Let's have to lose it.
Okay, now you're trading your piece.
Yeah.
Resign
Resign it. GG, elite man.
Resign it.
Alright, me and you, Caleb.
Oh, okay, cool.
Right, elite man.
Alright, this will actually play a little bit proper. I'm not sure actually how good Caleb is.
Just when you actually tried that one time against me, when you was thinking ahead, yeah, and you just like you actually played alright.
But yeah, I don't like doing that. It hurts my brain. I can't lie. Because when it's not second nature, it takes a little bit too much brain power at the moment.
Yeah,
so
you need
it's
to learn how to develop. You need to learn
Yeah.
the openings. You need to learn the middle game.
Well, exactly, and especially ending as well. Even though I get to a certain point where I can actually checkmate someone, I still don't know how to checkmate someone. That's what I need to really end as well.
Yeah, exactly.
But the issue is though, if I don't know the opening move, I wouldn't get to the ending phase, innit?
I don't know how we're gonna do it there actually. There was a.
Oh, he has resigned. I won.
Oh,
shit.
Again.
Yeah, calm. I won, bro. I think I checkmated him straight away. That's why. I think that's what it was.
Off the opening.
Off the opening. You guys ever seen a one move checkmate? Yeah, there you go then.
Yeah, I've not even seen that.
Have you not? I knew
No.
Magnus Carlsen, bro.
I don't think it's possible. I
No,
really tried it.
it's not. It's not. Is it? No. No.
I should even answer.
Bobby Fischer happened. What? No way. What's the story? You have to tell us. Ain't no way that actually happened.
Bobby Fischer had it. What?
What did he do?
What, a one move win?
Yeah.
Probably just resigned then. The guy.
Oh, alright. Same move. So basically, the other guy resigned and was like, yeah, it's done. Cool. Alright.
I mean, I doubt it was a loss. It was probably a draw.
Oh, alright.
Right, let's go.
There you go, Caleb. Let's go. Alright.
What is this?
Oh my god, what the hell, bro? You could send another rematch. What's going on?
Does he know how to click his mouse?
Bro, he keeps losing. That's 2-0.
Because I log into another browser. Okay, cool.
I sent it on Zoom again. Do you need it on Discord instead, or do you want it on Zoom?
Yeah, do it on Discord.
Ah, calm. I'm guessing you're on your phone on Zoom then.
No.
Are you not? Ah.
No. It's being weird.
Chris, if you wanted to play as well, feel free, man. Just let us know. If not, if we can't do it today, we'll do it tomorrow. Just let us know. You seem to be pretty, you seem to know what you're talking about. I haven't obviously used any of your tactics yet, but it's because I want to learn. I don't want to be relying on the call-outs. It's like you guys are providing a signal group almost. What's going on? Especially this guy called JP, making me. He was taking my account from me. He was like, "Let me account. Let me move it. Let me move it." Oh, nice.
Elite man's
Okay,
already fucked. Elite man's lost.
Holy crack.
Oh my god. Right, what do I do here? So.
I don't know if this is actually a good move or not. We get take that. You take that. You get. Okay, cool. I think if you take that, that'll get blocked. But I can take you with that. That one. I'll eat you with that. Cool.
What is that opening? Damn. Oh, right.
Oh, I made the wrong one. Whoops. I made the wrong move. Whoopsies. That looks still though. I mean, Caleb's higher elo than me, but I can't lie. He can't get much lower than me. 179 right now? God damn.
What do I? 222.
Okay, I'm signed up. Calm. I'll send you a link later, Chris. You can destroy me. And then if you absolutely trash me, I think you should go against JP. There was another guy that came into the stream. He was talking about, he was saying, I'm like, what is he? 1600 he said that he was elo? I want to see, like, them two go. Is it my move? Is it your move?
Tomorrow, I'm thinking.
Oh, okay, cool. Don't think too hard, bro. I'm not that good. Take my rook and then what? Oh, you've pinned. Oh, okay, you've pinned my thingy. Cool. That works. I guess you gotta take my rook, my queen then. Annoyingly, that's annoying. That is.
You said okay. I'm signed up. Down.
That's fine. You can wreak havoc there.
We're signed up to fail.
Signed up to.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Don't mind JP. It's just he's a chess champion of the of the world. That's...
Right.
I'm so dumb. I didn't even see that. Oh my goodness. I'm
Holy
so
crap.
stupid, bro.
That was a nice checkmate. I'll be so real.
I'm very stupid.
It's fine, you're beating everyone in trade, so.
Look at that checkmate. Damn.
I was surprised. I'm still like,
Double
the
bishop, both knights, rook.
You beat him already?
Yep, he did.
Ugh. Ugh, it's not even fun when you win. It's not even like, it's not even
the
that
best
much.
One, yeah.
The
Do you know what
best
I
thing
mean?
is when I see like Adil make a shit move and he just gets pissed off at himself. I'm like, yes. I don't know what it is. Something about just Adil making a shit move.
Something
It's just-
about it. There's something about it, bro.
Like he thinks so hard for like 10 seconds and he just does the worst move possible. And he's like,
That's why you don't think, guys. Just to let you know, this is exactly why you don't think hard.
exactly.
Because JP will sense the try hardness and be like, oh, okay, time to destroy this guy then. Because he's a dickhead. Is basically what I'm trying to say here.
Oh. Oh. Boy.
Oh, I'd best move. Yeah, I'd say best move your knight or something, bro. Because I guess he'll check me there. Yeah, cool.
Oh,
Oh, leave man.
You making fun of him
leave,
now?
man. Yeah, he's already lost. It's been 30 seconds.
Poor guy.
We had a rematch. It's been 30 seconds in. He's already lost.
Free my mans, he didn't do nothing.
Really, man. I'm stuck.
He didn't do nothing, bro. Free my mans. Okay, you can eat.
Ah,
him.
crack.
So you're cracked. Oh, bro, I'm cracked. I'm cracked. God damn it, man. How do I get out of this then? I guess I don't. So. Okay.
Oh, this is gonna be horrible if I do this. You're gonna be annoyed.
JP's evil, bro. I can't even lie. JP's just straight up evil.
I can literally see you clicking.
Elite man, take it.
Oh.
Elite man, take it.
Back up. Back up.
Take it.
Back up.
Take it. Take it, bro.
Don't be attacked now, yeah?
Take it, bro.
Back up, bro. Oh, crap.
Elite man, take it.
You mess me with a good piece now. But you're fucked.
Oh, you didn't take it. So I took it.
There's nothing literally unprotected in your bit. Everything is still protected because you've only moved 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Oh my god. Jesus.
Oh my.
You fucked out.
Oh, crack.
This is not your game. Right, let's see.
Losing the queen out of the way, so you might as well just get it done. Oh, fair play.
I'm so sorry. I was like, wait, what? I don't know why. I was confused why I knew I messed up somewhat, but I was like, it can't have been that bad of a mess up. Surely not.
Fuck me.
Yeah, love. Alright, I won again.
Bro, it's JP's love, bro. It's so disrespectful. Like, oh yeah, love. Like, yo, good
Love,
game,
love,
good game,
love.
love.
He knows what he's doing.
You wanna go again?
Yes.
I don't wanna damage you that much, like. Oh,
At that point, it's too much love. Too much love, bro.
I'll face some disrespectful opening.
Oh god.
Why, Josh? Why?
Nah, chess is good. I think it's just like whenever I'm trading and I feel like quite stressed, I just hop on chess for a bit.
Is that right? Is that how
Oh,
it is now?
shit, I'm
Is that how KN to C7?
Potentially missing a trade here. Damn. GG.
Oh, this is dropping.
There's literally nothing of his things that I
should've-
can just grab for free. I mean, there is one, but
I really
it's not
should've
very
entered
good.
that.
Maybe we have to back up again.
What?
If I go over
Straight?
there.
Oh,
Oh, hold on. Check.
I think.
I was like, wait, there is nothing. Oh, there is something that is unprotected. There is one thing currently unprotected.
Oh, I should have entered that. I was playing chess and I missed out trading. That's just karma. That's actually karma.
Indeed.
What the hell? Fuck. God just strike me down. I was violating everyone at chess. Missed the trade. Right, oh. Oh, that actually got me annoyed.
Stop this stream. Okay, I'm sorting the stream back now on.
Oh god, I didn't even see that. Okay, that's fine. I didn't lose anything, but it was a waste of a move. Dumb move too.
Right, oh. What's going on there?
I mean, what am I not able to protect? Nothing. I can go up here. There. I'm still protecting the same pieces. Just blocked me. Okay.
Every time I've accidentally put in 2 trades on US 100 today, thinking it was GG.
Accidentally.
Yes, accidentally. It's alright though, I took them out straight away. It was like a tiny loss. But
Ah,
I don't know how. I just clicked on GJ, placed the trade, and it went to US 100, and I've done it twice in a row.
Don't know about that one, Chief. Don't know about that one. Accidentally, yeah? Are you sure?
Nah, I'm not sure.
Take that. You can eat. Okay, that'll eat. Cool. That's fine. You can go there. The shame. Hold up. Is this who you want your Forex guru to be? Someone who's crap at chess? No. This is why you go to. That's why you go to JP. For his elite. For his elite.
That's not true.
His analysis.
Go to Magnus Carlsen for chess advice. Oh wow. Fucking hell, I was looking at the charts too much. Oh. What's the best movers?
I mean, there is a way. I just, nah, wait. I'll just eat this first. It seems like a free meal to me, to be honest. Your analysis is spot on so far. Your tactical mind, not so much. That's such a backhanded, like. You're alright, but you're kind of crap still. You're good, yeah, but you're dumb, is what I'm trying to say. Definitely worried about your zombie team. What do you mean? I blundered this one, I can't lie. That was a stupid move, but I think I could in theory, I think I could check him in a few if he moves the way I'm thinking he's gonna move. The issue is I don't exactly know how this guy's gonna move.
This guy, yeah?
Well, I don't know. I even if you're bad or good, I don't know how the next move is gonna be. I just predict. I just try and predict. What would I do? What would be the stupid move I take? And I just try going from there. Really, I can't do much after that. Oh god damn, man! Really?
Stop building tactics, Chris.
See, my move was gonna be either. So this is what I was gonna do before I make the move. So I was gonna take this. So that would be a check or take the bishop, or this because it's gonna be check or bishop. But I mean, this one is pretty safe to me. So.
You haven't got the time. You haven't got the time. What? I didn't even see it.
That's like, I could check him in a bit, but I wasn't actually sure if he would survive because he can't go there. He can't go
I was
there.
gonna.
He can't go there. He can't. See, this is analytics, bro. This is. I'm just.
How the fuck did you get that arrow?
I just moved 20 move in advance. Nah, I got lucky really. I was gonna go the long-winded way and go like this. Like no lie, I was gonna go like take this and then go over here because he can't move there. He can't go there. That would have been checkmate anyways, right? No, he could still move there, and that would have been stupid for me because he can move over here, and that would have been a miss win. God damn. GG, man. Chris, you wanna go? You wanna go, Chris?
Chris, you wanna go, mate?
You might shove, mate. I'll give it you. I'll give it you, bro.
You wanna do it, mate? You fucking white shell. I'll give it. You all the other wangs.
There you go. Here's the link, bro. You might shove. I'll give it you, lad.
Give it, yeah. Got no fans. Got no ground.
Bro, bro, that came out when I was year 7. I swear to God.
Yeah, same. That was our thing in year 7.
I might be year 9 then. I might be year 9.
No, it was before that.
It was before that. I swear. Oh yeah, I swear it was before. Could have sworn I was hearing annoying ass year 7 saying that. I was like, okay, just shut the hell up.
Josh, you move.
Yeah. Year 7's back in my day. Bare cocky, you know.
Oh,
People like JP, innit? People like JP is the issue.
You should see them now.
Yeah,
Not that I
bro,
know what
dumb.
year 7s are like.
No,
so
no,
hang
no.
around.
I'll back that. It's dumb now, bro.
It's done. Oh god.
Generation's fucked.
They all shave their heads, go to school just to be Andrew. That's what's happening in year 7 now. Chris, you gonna play or not? That's fine if not, because I can end the stream. It'll be done, and yeah.
He's already sacrificed. He's already forfeit.
He's already forfeited, yeah. That was you. Shaded D2. Yeah, just click the link. Can you not see the link?
No, click it.
You're not here, bro. Shade D2 is. Oh, there you go. Sick. Okay. Place your bets, boys. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna lose? Place your bets now.
On Chris.
I believe it's the 10k one. Never mind.
Mark, you got this in the bag.
Is
Just
that
think.
right? You believe in me?
I believe in you.
Cool. I'm even gonna go.
Do
I have pre-moves? Do I have pre-moves? Or I don't?
To back test chess. That's what you need to
Back
do.
test chess. I actually plan to, you know. Basically, what I was trying to do is every time I do the same opening, everyone has the same counter for it, and I'm like, well, that's a back
exactly.
test. Do you know what I mean? But I don't know what to do after that. Hey, big dubs, big dubs.
He's gonna say back.
Bro, I'm too good at this game, man. I swear I've got like 5 wins in a row.
Oh.
Yeah, people might have quit in that, but who cares? Still dub. Oh crap! No. Okay, I need to beat this guy quick time. Oh, I messed up. Oh, I messed up.
Who's Finger Yips? Oh.
There we go, GG.
We did the exact same move. I messed up.
We're mirroring each other.
Yeah, we had the same idea.
We've done well. Who am I watching?
No one. What the hell are we doing, bro? What the hell is this guy doing?
I literally need to split my screen right now. Right.
Oh, GG, I won. Okay, cool. Yeah, we'll do it tomorrow then, Chris. Okay, I'll end the stream here. It's already long enough, I think. So yeah, I appreciate you all for tuning in, by the way. I appreciate everyone who stayed, especially you, Chris, and everyone in the Zoom call.
Oh, fuck.
I'll see you guys in a bit. I'll leave the Zoom call active if you guys want to keep playing chess.
Yep.
Calm in a bit.
Fuck, I didn't see that.
You